scale production of lactic acid or lactic acid fermentation. Lactic acid bacteria are used for the production of lactic acid. They are divided into two categories: homofermentative and heterofermentative. Homofermenters convert carbohydrate material to lactic acid as the principal end product. These are the few examples: Lactobacillus delbrueckii, Lactobacillus bulgaricus, Streptococcus lactis. Heterofermenters, they produce lactic acid, but along with that, they do produce other products like acetic acid, ethanol, and CO2. Therefore, homofermentative lactic acid bacteria are used for large scale production of lactic acid. There are several uses of lactic acid in industries such as food and chemical industry. In food industry, lactic acid is used as acidulant in fruit juices, essences, lemonades, pickles, syrups, in curing of meat, canned vegetables, and fish products. It is used to acidify wood during brewing process and wine to inhibit the growth of butyric acid bacteria. Calcium lactate is used in baking powder and bread. It is used in pharmaceutical preparations such as iron lactate. In chemical industries, it is used in dyeing of silk and other textile goods. It is used as mordant in printing of woolens. It is also used in batting and plumbing of leather. The raw materials used for large scale production of lactic acid must contain glucose, sucrose, or lactose. Corn and potato may be hydrolyzed by enzymes or acids to maltose and glucose before their use as raw material. Molasses and whey are generally used for the said purpose because of their availability and cheap. The fermentation temperature, it may vary in relation to the type of organism used. For example, Lactobacillus delbrueckii 45 degrees Celsius, Lactobacillus bulgaricus it is 45 to 50 degrees Celsius. For Lactobacillus casei and Streptococcus lactis it is 30 degrees Celsius. The sugar concentration of the fermentation medium may vary from 5 to 20 gram percent. Generally, lactic acid bacteria are microaerophilic or anaerobic in nature. So there is minimum requirement of oxygen during the fermentation process. The pH of the fermentation broth is on acidic side. Due to addition of calcium hydroxide to the fermentation broth, the pH tends to move towards neutrality. The pH may be maintained at constant value by the use of ammonia as neutralizing agent. Neutralization of acid. Lactic acid is neutralized by calcium hydroxide during fermentation. Calcium hydroxide or calcium carbonate may be added either at the beginning of the fermentation or intermittently, that means after a definite period as the fermentation process progresses. The production of lactic acid from whey. United States pharmacopoeia grade of lactic acid, calcium lactate, and sodium lactate are manufactured from whey. The whey, known as casein whey, contains lactalbumin, lactose of 4.6%, vitamin G, mineral salts, and water. This medium serves as nutrient substrate in the manufacturing of lactic acid. The first step is preparation of starter. It is prepared by the inoculation of sterilized skim milk with a culture of Lactobacillus bulgaricus. After incubation for 24 hours at 43 degrees Celsius, the contents of the bottle are placed in a large jug containing pasteurized skim milk. The contents of the jug are then incubated at temperature of 43 degrees Celsius for again 24 hours. Then these contents are transferred into a steel tank containing 500 gallons of pasteurized whey. Following incubation at 43 degrees Celsius for 24 hours, the seed culture is then added to the main fermentation tank. The fermentation tank is specially designed like this. This tank is constructed of wood and has a capacity of 5,000 gallons of whey. This is the design of the tank. At the bottom of this tank, there is a perforated brass pipe through which steam may be introduced to warm the mash to the temperature desired for the fermentation or for the subsequent coagulation of lactalbumin that occurs during the recovery of lactic acid. In the center, there is a pipe, a mechanical stirrer, and a 4-inch brass pipe which is hollow, which can be raised or lowered like this. So it can be lowered so as to decant the calcium lactate solution which is formed in the broth. The inoculated whey is maintained at a temperature of 43 degrees Celsius till the end of the fermentation, and the fermentation period is usually 48 hours. There is addition of lime or calcium hydroxide in the form of slurry after every 6 hours, that is for the neutralization of lactic acid. So lactic acid will be converted into calcium lactate. This is how the growth of lactic acid bacteria will not be inhibited by the acid that they produce.